That's good. Louis. Last huh? Yeah, man. Unzy bird in a Times Square, no? Yes. Sure people in our bomb. Now I look at that store. Unlock. Huh? So I have my shoes that we're trying to make a video to. Yeah, I'm just looking at around here. 17.99. Good business, man. I'm gonna spend the money with you before I leave.
No problem about that. Take a look.
Yeah.
My price is very cheap.
Yeah, that I see. It's good, man.
Price is very good price.
Yeah. Good price, man. Right.
We have I love you here, 2 for $25.
Huh?
T-shirt, 2 for 24.
2 for 25?
Yeah. These. Cheap price.
I love you.
Yeah.
This one is small.
Yeah.
Just see.
Price is good price.
This is for kids.
Yeah, for kids and adults. This is adult, this is for kids.
Same price.
Different price. $14.99 buy 2, $25.
Buy 2 of this, 25.
Yeah.
And buy 2 of this.
Yeah, same.
Yeah. For woman, right?
Man, woman, it depends.
Yeah. Same thing these two.
Yeah.
$25, 2 for 25.
Yeah, not this.
But these.
Yeah. This.
Good price. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, man.
Okay.
I'm gonna come back.
No problem.
Yo, man.
You ready?
Yeah.
You want me to help you?
Yeah, just take one back.
No pop it. You come in my video a little bit.
Yo, the train station is there, the subway. Fuck. Yo, we can take, I think we can take, oh no. It's got a transfer, bro. Yeah. I don't want that. Yo, let us take the 2 trip. Flatbush Avenue, Medgar, Flatbush Avenue. Yeah. I think we can take 5.
Hey, that's what I had last night.
weekend.
Okay. When you want me to do that tomorrow? Let's stay, don't answer. Yo, man. Come, you have to watch your road, man.